I cannot see it, but I can hear. Oh, here it is right here. Look, look, look. Another one with the 3 lights going across it. Look. Look at that. Look at that. I got my thumb raised up to them. Look at that. Y'all, they coming in back to back non-stop. Why is everybody asleep? What is going on in this world that these people don't even know that we're saving children, that we're fighting for our rights, we're fighting for the big sign that I had in my backyard, freedom, that we're fighting, y'all. What is wrong? Why don't we know this? Why? I just don't get it. I don't get it. Ugh. Look at freedom. Look at freedom. 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 Look at Old Glory back there. Can y'all see Old Glory? Where you at, Old Glory? He right there. And number 19. He right there too. It's ridiculous. Nobody's awake. Wow. Let me order me something, and I don't order food from nobody. But let me order something. Y'all, I've been running out so fast. Child. Let me get off of here. I gotta make more room on my phone. Bye.